Nature has a restorative effect on attention and cognitive function, enhancing focus and concentration levels. Fresh air and exposure to natural elements can strengthen the immune system, making the body more resilient to illness. Being in nature increases energy levels and oxygen intake. Enhances brain function and boosts serotonin levels. Supports weight management and improves self-esteem. Spending time in nature can reduce muscle tension. Promotes and cultivates a sense of gratitude.